Top 10 all-rounder in the cricket history. All-rounders are the backbone of any cricket team, capable of making significant contributions with both bat and ball. They possess the versatility to impact matches in multiple ways, often turning the tide of the game with their all-round skills. A true all-rounder is a rare gem, balancing their batting and bowling prowess to excel in all formats of the game. But before we start our video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Here is the list of top 10 all-rounders in the cricket history. Number 10. Steve Waugh. Australia, the gritty Australian cricketer, was known for his resilience and leadership on the field. Across all formats, he amassed 20,344 runs at an average of 45.71 and took 287 wickets with his medium pace. Waugh's determination and tactical acumen made him one of the most successful captains and all-rounder in the cricket history. Number 9. Ben Stokes. England, the dynamic English all-rounder, is renowned for his explosive batting and impactful bowling performances. With over 10,000 runs and 300 wickets across all formats combined, Stokes consistently delivers game-changing performances, epitomizing versatility and resilience in cricket. Number 8. Shakib Al Hasan. Bangladesh, a versatile Bangladeshi cricketer, boasts impressive all-round statistics in both batting and bowling. With over 9,138 runs and 317 wickets in one-day internationals, ODIs, he stands as one of the most consistent performers in the format. His adaptability and skill have made him a cornerstone of Bangladesh's cricketing success. Number 7. Sanath Jayasuriya. Sri Lanka, the explosive Sri Lanka all-rounder, dominated cricket with his aggressive batting and handy left-arm spin. In his illustrious career, he scored 13,430 runs in ODIs at an average of 32.36, along with 323 wickets at 36.75. Jayasuriya's attacking style revolutionized limited overs cricket, making him a true icon of the game. Number 6. Wasim Akram. Pakistan, not only the best Pakistani fast bowler but also one of the best of all time. 916 wickets with over 10,000 runs in all formats, Wasim Akram was an absolute gem of a left-arm all-rounder. He was not that much of a reliable batsman in Test cricket, but a decent late-order batsman who could get runs at a rapid pace elevates him into the top 10 greatest all-rounder list. Number 5. Shaun Pollock. South Africa. Some of you may be surprised to see Shaun Pollock at number 5. However, he has a fine record that simply can't be ignored when looking at the great all-rounders of all time. He took 421 wickets at 23.11, but his best bowling attribute came in that he was consistent and very economical, generally hard to score runs off. As a batsman, over 8,000 runs he was capable of giving a solid performance but often struggled to push on to a big score. This is shown by only having 2 centuries to his name. Number 4. Ian Botham. England, one of the finest cricketer England has ever produced, Ian Botham was a genuine match winner in both batting and bowling department. He became the fastest player to reach a milestone of 1,000 runs and 100 wickets in Test cricket. He grabbed 383 wickets in 102 matches and scored 5,200 runs at an average of 33.54, including 14 centuries. His outstanding ability to take the game away from the opposition with hard-hitting, fast-paced batting was the key ingredient which made him one of the elite class of all-rounders the world has ever seen. 3. Kapil Dev. India, almost the same statistics and abilities like Imran Khan. Kapil Dev is the finest bowler India has ever produced who continued his remarkable career at highest level for the best part of 15 years. 434 wickets in 131 Test matches combined with another 253 wickets in ODI cricket in 225 matches made him the greatest bowler India has ever produced, but he is more than that. Kapil Dev's iconic performances led to India winning their first World Cup in 1983, beating West Indies in the final. Number 2. Imran Khan. Pakistan, an absolute raw talent with utmost discipline, Imran Khan had perhaps more willpower to succeed than the only talent. He is still being termed as the pioneer of swing bowling and a lethal weapon of reverse swing. The former Pakistan captain scored 3,807 runs in 88 Test matches at a decent average of 37.69, but it was his destructive mindset with the ball which made him stand out. Imran bagged 362 wickets at a near average of only 22.81. Imran Khan's batting and bowling abilities combined with exceptional captaincy credentials make him the most successful leader in Pakistan cricket. Number 1. Garfield Sobers. West Indies. As great as the rest of the players on this list were, few would dispute that Garfield Sobers is the greatest all-rounder of all time. He could bowl both fast, medium and spin, being effective with both. But it was as a spin bowler that Sobers was first picked for the West Indies team, often batting low in the order. He would go on to take 235 wickets at an average of 34.03. His average of 57.78 is the 10th best on the all-time list and compares with any batsman in the history of the game, with the exception of the great Sir Donald Bradman. He scored 26 centuries and 30 half-centuries. But his most famous feat remains the 365 not out he scored in 1958. At the time, this was a world record, a record that would stand until it was broken by Brian Lara in 1994. It still ranks as the 5th highest score ever in Test cricket. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.